students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about subtraction with borrowing. The video links of the addition problems are given in the description box. Please check this. So let's get started. You have already know that small number can be subtracted from bigger number. That is, you will know that the subtraction 75 minus 34. Small number can be subtracted from bigger number, but bigger number cannot be subtracted from small number. So at first we have to subtract the ones place digits. This is ones place, this is tens place. So you have already know that we have to start the subtraction from the right side. So at first we have to subtract the ones place digits. So 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So we have to write here 1. And next we have to subtract the tens place digits. So 7 minus 3 equal to 4. So 41 is the answer. But if the subtraction 34 minus 35, what will be the subtraction? See, 34 minus 15, what will be the answer? See, here 4 is smaller than 5. I have already said that smaller number can be subtracted from bigger number, but bigger number cannot be subtracted from smaller number. So 5 is bigger than 4. So how is it possible? So for this is ones place and this is tens place. So for this we have to borrow 1 tens. So this is tens place and here 3 tens. So we have to borrow 1 ten. So 1 10 means 10 and 10 plus 4 means 14. So we have to write here 14, and I have already borrowed 1 10 from 3. So we have to write here 2, because 3 minus 1, 110 can be subtracted. So 3 minus 1 equal to 2. That is, we have to write the before number of this number 2. Now subtract this easily. So 14 minus 5, what will be the subtraction? 14 minus 5 means 9. So 9 and 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 means 19. So this is the subtraction with borrowing. Now see, 4-digit subtraction with borrowing from tens place. So see, we have to subtract 3,457 from 5,861. So this is ones place. You have already know the places, tens, hundreds and thousands place. So at first we have to subtract the numbers in ones place. That is, we have to subtract 7 from 1. So it cannot be possible. So what can I do? We have to borrow 1 10 from these 6 tens. So we have to borrow 1 10 from these 6 tens. So 1 10 means 10. So 10 plus 1. Here we have to write here 1 10. So 10 plus 1 means 11. And I have borrowed 1 10 from these 6 tens. So 6 minus 1, that is the before number of 6. What is the before number of 6? So the before number of 6 is 5. So we have to write here 5. Now we have to subtract 7 from 11 and then we have to subtract 5 from this 5. So see, we have at first we have to subtract 7 from 11. So 11 minus 7, 4. So we have to write here 4. Next we have to subtract in the tens places digits, that is 5 minus 5. You have already know that 5 minus 5 means 0. So we have to write here 0. Next, very easy, we have to subtract the hundreds places digits. So 8 minus 4. So 8 minus 4 means 4. So we have to write here 4. And the last one in the thousand place digits, that is 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 means 2. So we have to write here 2. So the answer will be 2404. See another subtraction. This is the subtraction with borrowing from tens and hundreds places. So see here, this is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds place. So we have to subtract from right side. So see here, 2 is smaller than 8. Again 1 is smaller than 5. So this is the subtraction with borrowing from tens and ones place. So we have to borrow. At first we have to borrow from tens place, then we have to borrow from hundreds place. So see, at first we have to borrow from tens place. That is here 2. So 10 plus 2 means 12, and I have borrowed 110 from this place, that is 1. So 1 minus 1 means 0. Or the before number of 1 is 0. So subtract this. 12 minus 8. So 12 minus 8 means 4. So we have to write here 4. Next we have to subtract the tens places digits. That is, we have to subtract 5 from 0. But 0 is smaller than 5. So how can it possible? So see, we have to borrow 100 from this place, that is from 9. So we have to write here 8. That is, we have to borrow 100 and we have to write here 10. So 10 minus 5 means 5. 10 minus 5 means 5, and at last we have to subtract 2 from 8. So 8 minus 2 means 6. So 654 is the answer. And remember that for each borrowing we have to add 10 with the given number. That is, we have to add 10 with 2, we have to add 10 with 0, and subtract 1 from the before places. That is, for the borrowing ones place, in ones place borrowing we have to subtract 1 from tens place digits, and for borrowing in the tens place we have to subtract 1 from the hundreds place digits. Now see the next subtraction. We have to subtract 5465 from 6142. So this is the subtraction with borrowing from tens, hundreds and thousands place. So see, at first we have to subtract the ones places digits. That is, we have to subtract 5 from 2. So for this subtraction we have to borrow 110. So 10 plus 2, that is 12. And for this borrowing we have to subtract 1 from this tens place. That is 4 minus 1. That is the before number of 4. This is 3. So see, 12 minus 5 equal to 7. So 7. Next see, we have to subtract 6 from 3. But 3 is smaller than 6. So for this subtraction we have to borrow 100 from this place. So for this borrowing we have to add 10 with 3. That is, we have to write here 13 and we have to write here 0, because 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So then 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 means 7. So 7. So we have to write here 7. Next, see, we have to subtract 4 from 0, but 0 is smaller than 4. So we have to borrow 1000 from this place. That is, we have to add 10 with 0. So 10 plus 0 means 10. So, and here we have to subtract 1 from 6. That is the before number of 6, which is 5. So 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 means 6. So we have to write here 6, and at last 5 minus 5, that is 0. So this is 0. So the so the subtraction will be, so the subtraction value, that is the answer will be 677. So students, today we have learnt about subtraction with borrowing. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you, and please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Bye.